guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to actually be cleaning up and rearranging my master because it looks kind of crazy right now. Not so much that it looks crazy, but you know, after a while I'll get kind of bored with how things are set up and then I want to flip them. So I think that's what I'm going to do is actually flip the room. Because it's been frustrating with this dresser in front of the window just because of the fact that closing the curtains and it's up against it and it's a mess. So I'm going to flip the whole room around. I'm going to show you guys everything first and we're going to get started. So here is the current state of my master bedroom, you guys. I'm going to, like I said, flip everything around. So I'm thinking the bed is actually going to go over here where the TV and the dresser and stuff is. As you can look back here, you can see that there's like a gap. And that's because if you put it all the way up against it, you can't close it. But with the headboard and the bed and everything, I think it'll be a little bit easier on that side of the room. So let's get going. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually take all the bedding off of the bed and get it into the washer. I'm not going to do our son's bed just because I washed his the day before I filmed this video, so it didn't need to be cleaned. But I'm washing everything right now because I typically do this every week or so, but I just like having fresh clean sheets after I get my room cleaned up. I don't know, something about good clean sheets after you get through cleaning up and you just want to sit down and relax. Everything clean makes you feel really good. I don't know. So I'm going to be vacuuming and cleaning things as I move stuff because I know there's not going to be any time in this process where I'm going to have the entire room cleared out. So I just kind of vacuum the spaces that I clear out as I go. I moved my son's bed there originally. That's where I thought I wanted it to be. But as you guys are going to see here, I'm going to change my mind a few times and it looks chaotic, but I think that's pretty much anyone's process as they're going. They kind of take a step back and look at things. If they don't like where everything is set, then they'll move it again. So I do that quite a few times in this video. So I'm going to go ahead and be quiet and let you guys enjoy this cleaning motivation. So as you guys can see that once that rug came up, my idea kind of just went out the window. And that all came about because I realized that it would just be blocking all the natural light again. And I just love how big and open and tall these windows are. And I didn't want to cover them up at all. So I put the bed on the wall next to the windows just to keep them open. But the way I ended up arranging everything, it kind of made the room feel a lot more spacious. And I really like that. And plus my little one has a lot more space to roll around on the floor. And he absolutely loves that. As you see, he keeps popping into the room even though I keep putting him out. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys finish watching this video. So here you guys just see me kind of cleaning off this dresser. We don't really mess with the stuff on top of it, and it just kind of collects dust where we live. I mean, the only things that we really bother are my nightshirts that hang up there, my scarves, and then the little basket that hold the keys. Everything else just kind of stays put and gets disrupted every now and again. So I wanted to wipe it down, get some of the dust off, disinfect. Those scuffs all over the dresser came from when we were moving. My husband was trying to do everything by himself because it was just the two of us trying to move everything alone. And it turned into some mess. It got dropped and it was a lot of stuff. So that's why it looks that way. But I just wanted to get everything on this dresser reorganized and put back together and wiped down and disinfected so that we can kind of move past this point because I was kind of avoiding it. What are some tasks that you avoid in your house? Let me know down in the comments below. Okay guys, so I am finally all done. I'm going to show you guys the overall of the room. But I like the layout right now. I feel like it's a little bit more spacious than what it was. Munchkin wanted to wave. And I know I had originally said I was going to just flip the room around and put the bed over here. But I really like having my windows open because they're really big, long windows. And I just love all the natural light that comes in from them. And I like how it gave us some space, some defined spaces. So we're over here and he's kind of over there, which is better than what we have been dealing with. So I'm gonna give you guys a tour of everything, and then I'll close out this video. All right guys, so it's all done. I have that laundry over there to get folded because I just washed that load, as well as my sheets and my comforter and everything. I went ahead and left the stuff on the wall over there because it still frames that area nicely, especially since his bed's over there. I'm probably going to find something else to put over here behind our bed, because I just kind of want stuff on the walls. I just feel like some of the walls still look a little naked here. Yeah, they do. But everything turned out nicely. I'm kind of happy with just the space. It just seems like it's a lot more space. Maybe it's because of, you know, where the bed is makes the biggest difference in the room and how cluttered the room can feel. So right now, excuse me, took in too much air. So right now the room looks really open and spacious, and I love these big windows over here. I don't know, I love windows in general, you guys. And when I had the furniture set up before, it actually just blocked those windows off completely, kind of, and it made the room a little bit darker. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on my social media. I will put it on the screen as well. Not up here, probably somewhere in this region or over there. I'm thinking, I don't know. I'll put it somewhere. So follow me on social media so you keep up with everything that I've been doing and everything I'm going to be doing here pretty soon because holidays. So thank you guys again for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.